Okay, this video is to show you where the law of sines comes from. If I start with a triangle, any triangle, I can label the three vertices A, B, and C. The side opposite of angle A is little a, the side opposite of angle B is lowercase b, and same for C. Now I can draw an altitude in this triangle and call it H. I'm going to call the first triangle triangle 1, the second triangle triangle 2. If I look at triangle 1 and I look at angle A, the sine of A is opposite over hypotenuse, in this case H over B. If I multiply both sides of the equation by B, I get B times the sine of A equals H. Now let's look at triangle 2. If I look at angle B, the sine of B is opposite over hypotenuse, so H over A. Now I can multiply both sides of this equation by A and get A times the sine of B equals H. Well, both equations equal H, and therefore they must equal each other. If I take this equation, I can divide both sides by A times B. Now on the left, the lowercase b's will cancel. And on the right side, the lowercase a's will cancel. This leaves me with the sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B. I can do this exact same thing by drawing a different altitude, and I would get the sine of B over B equals the sine of C over C. If I drew the altitude from the third vertice, I'd get the sine of A over A equals the sine of C over C. These three equations together make the sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B equals the sine of C over C. And that is the law of sines.